Travel trailers have revolutionized the way we experience the great outdoors, bringing the comfort and convenience of modern life right to the heart of nature. If you've ever dreamt of embarking on a journey where you can witness breathtaking landscapes up close, create unforgettable memories, and enjoy the RV lifestyle to the fullest, then a travel trailer is your ideal companion. But which one? Well, we've done the hard work and compiled a list of 5 of the most luxurious camper van brands. Our adventure begins with Oliver Travel Trailers, a brand that stands out for its exceptional craftsmanship and innovative design. What sets Oliver apart from the rest of the industry is its meticulous attention to detail. Each Oliver travel trailer boasts E-rated 10-ply light truck tires, ensuring durability and safety on every journey. But it doesn't stop there. These trailers are constructed using 2 inner and 2 outer fiberglass shells, a unique process that enhances overall quality and longevity. One of the standout features of Oliver travel trailers is their commitment to customization. Every traveler is unique, and Oliver understands that one size doesn't fit all. That's why each Oliver trailer is built to your specifications, ensuring that your travel experience is tailored precisely to your desires. Whether you're an avid chef who needs a gourmet kitchen on the road, or a tech enthusiast who craves state-of-the-art entertainment systems, Oliver can bring your vision to life. But customization is just the beginning of what sets Oliver travel trailers apart. Imagine being on a scenic camping site surrounded by nature's wonders. The nautical 3-way refrigerator gleams, stocked with your favorite beverages and snacks. The molded vanity adds a touch of elegance, reminding you of the comforts of home. As you unwind, you can enjoy your favorite movies or music on the 22-inch flat-screen LCD TV and custom-mounted speakers, creating a cinematic experience in the heart of nature. Next on our journey through the realm of travel trailers is Starcraft, a brand renowned for its versatility and wide range of layouts. Starcraft's most popular product, the Mossy Oak, offers up to 11 different layouts catering to diverse preferences and group sizes. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway for 2 or a family vacation with little ones, Starcraft has a layout designed just for you. One of the standout features of Starcraft travel trailers is their thoughtful design. Despite their spacious interiors, these trailers manage to retain a cozy ambiance, making them ideal for intimate gatherings. The double-over-double bunk bed, with an impressive 600-pound capacity, ensures a good night's sleep for everyone. Additionally, the trailers come equipped with a residential-style high-rise faucet, a 3-burner range with a 17-inch oven, a 60/40 split kitchen sink, a flush toilet, and durable residential-style flooring. Starcraft leaves no stone unturned in providing a comfortable and functional space for your travels, making every trip memorable and enjoyable. Winnebago, a name synonymous with quality and innovation, takes center stage in the world of travel trailers. What sets Winnebago apart is its focus on lightweight, aerodynamic trailers that are a dream to tow. These trailers are not just vehicles, they are homes on wheels designed to provide the utmost comfort and convenience to travelers. One of the key features of Winnebago trailers is their aerodynamic shape, which reduces drag and enhances fuel efficiency. Imagine saving on gas while exploring the vast expanse of the country. Winnebago makes this dream a reality. Additionally, these trailers boast a well-designed interior offering 6.5 feet worth of headroom. This spacious layout ensures that you never feel cramped, even during extended journeys. Some Winnebago models come with slide-outs, providing additional floor space that truly transforms your travel experience. These slide-outs are especially handy during mealtimes, offering roomy dining areas where you can savor delicious meals while surrounded by the beauty of nature. Winnebago's trailers are tailored for small traveling parties and couples, making them the perfect choice for those seeking both comfort and efficiency in their RV lifestyle. Grand Design travel trailers embody the essence of quality and durability. What sets this brand apart is its unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction. Every Grand Design product is backed by a 3-year structural warranty, a testament to the brand's confidence in its craftsmanship. But it doesn't stop there. Each trailer undergoes a series of rigorous quality inspection tests during the manufacturing process, ensuring that it meets the highest standards of excellence. Grand Design offers a range of models, including Transcend, Reflection, Solitude, Imagine, and Momentum, each crafted with precision and care. The goal is clear: to create products that enhance the customer's RV experience before, during, and after the sale. This customer-centric approach has earned Grand Design a loyal following, with travelers appreciating the brand's dedication to quality and reliability. When you choose a Grand Design travel trailer, you're not just investing in a vehicle, you're investing in a lifestyle. These trailers are more than modes of transportation. They are homes that accompany you on your adventures, providing a sense of security and comfort that is unparalleled. Grand Design's emphasis on customer relationships and satisfaction makes it a brand that truly understands the needs and desires of the modern traveler. If you liked the video so far, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Our exploration of top travel trailer brands culminates with Airstream, an iconic name in the world of RVs. Airstream trailers are synonymous with timeless elegance and unmatched quality. What sets Airstream apart is its unique design, characterized by its sleek aerodynamic shape. This distinctive feature not only adds to the trailer's aesthetic appeal, but also contributes to superior fuel economy, providing 20% better gas mileage compared to other trailers. Airstream trailers are more than just vehicles. They are symbols of a lifestyle characterized by freedom, adventure, and sophistication. These trailers are not merely suitable for short trips, they are perfect for full-time living. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds chirping outside your Airstream, surrounded by nature's beauty while enjoying all the comforts of home. Airstream trailers make this dream a reality. One of the significant advantages of Airstream trailers is their lower maintenance expenses. These trailers are built to last, requiring minimal upkeep to retain their pristine condition. Additionally, Airstream trailers boast a higher resale value, making them a wise investment for travelers seeking long-term options. What sets Airstream apart is its enduring legacy. For nearly a century, Airstream has been synonymous with quality and innovation. Each Airstream trailer is crafted with precision and attention to detail, ensuring that you're not just purchasing a vehicle, but a piece of history. The world of travel trailers is as diverse as the landscapes they traverse. Each brand offers a unique experience tailored to meet the needs and preferences of different travelers. Whether you prioritize customization, versatility, efficiency, quality, or elegance, there is a travel trailer brand that aligns perfectly with your vision of the ideal RV lifestyle. So which brand are you going for? Please let us know in the comments section below and make sure to like the video. Thanks for watching.